Good afternoon, everyone. This is Danny V5.1 H2S Pro, one of the best Apple AirPods Pro 2 clones in the market. Comes with Apple batching, and as you can see, it says compatible with iOS device, iPad OS device, Apple Watch or Mac devices. But even it says that you should be sure before purchasing it with the seller if it supports the latest version of iOS. For example, with the latest iOS version, which is 17.02, ask the seller if it is compatible with it or not, because some of these products are not compatible with the latest iOS version. As you know, original AirPods Pro 2 use a processor which is called as H2, and the processor in this Apple AirPods Pro called as H2S Pro. I am not sure if they are using the same processor, but the name is very similar. Okay, let's have an in-depth look to this clone AirPods Pro 2. After 4 days of testing, I am ready to make the detailed review video of Apple AirPods Pro 2 clones Danny version 5.1, which comes with H2S Pro chip. So I already made the detailed unboxing video, but if you didn't watch that, I'm just going to make a quick unbox. Here, designed by Apple in California, Apple logo, AirPods Pro, and some information just like the original one. And when we open the box, we are also getting the same paperwork. Comes with the original ones designed by Apple in California, and even we have some warranty paper and user manual. The AirPods Pro 2 itself with the same packaging style. This is exactly the 1-1 packaging, but of course the original one has better materials. Also, we have the writing here which says designed by Apple in California, with different fonts, of course. And when we open the cover, let's see. Yes, we say connect and press and hold the button behind the box. Now it is being connected, and as you can see, we have sound feature now. And continue. Okay, connected, and we have the AirPods Pro menu here, just like the original one. We have the noise cancellation feature. My experience about the active noise cancellation feature. So if you go online, especially on Reddit, you'll see there are lots of people are claiming that the active noise cancellation feature works pretty fine on these earbuds, AirPods Pro 2 clones, but on my experience, it's not, that's not the case. Because I have tested these AirPods clones in various environments with different sound levels. The maximum level that these earbuds can lower is 20%, that's all. So it's not working perfect. Actually, active noise cancellation feature is the only feature that doesn't work on these earbuds. Depends on my experience. I'm not sure if maybe mine has some problems, but I don't think that is the case here. So except the active noise cancellation feature, all other features are working actually pretty fine. The head tracking mode works like 90%. Microphone sound quality is not the best but moderate, so you can understand what the people you are talking or speaking easily. It's not too clear, but let's say that it's 90% clear. Charge time is pretty nice. The seller claims about 7 hours. No, it's like between 4 and 5 hours, depends on how you use it. Sound level is awesome. Also, there are some videos shows that you can use these air tags. No, you cannot until you open the cover, the phone, and Find My features doesn't see the device. So if you are holding the device and if you can open the cover, you don't need the Find My Device feature. So when you open the cover, it starts beeping, which is useless. But with the GPS, you can see the last location it is, turned on. The special audio feature. I am in head tracking mode now. So if I turn my head to left, I'm hearing the song on this side. And if I turn my head to right, I am hearing the sound from this side. I mean, on this side more powerful. And now, on this side is more powerful. The music tracking my head movements, but only right and left, not up or down. It's working quite nice. And even if you check it here, the system looks like original. The limited warranty is going to expire 1 year later. Crazy. I don't know how they managed to do it. So AirPods Pro, model number, serial number, and also for each AirPods we have serial number, and this serial number is for the case and the version. Actually, this is the latest and the best AirPods Pro 2 clones, but this is the 2 version previous one. So this one also needs an upgrade, and also I'm going to show you how to upgrade, because these AirPod clones also have over the air upgrade feature, which is awesome. It has gyro system for the special audio, and we have the speakers here. This speaker is actually working, type C, and the hinge is nice, look like the same color but plastic. It's exactly look like the original one, but the material quality is better on the original one. Still, for this price, this is very nice. See, it's just directly pops up. Noise control, you can just apply the task for each AirPods, right and left, which I will show you how to use it. You can test if the earpads fits for your ear or not, and call press once. Automatic ear detection is turned on. Let's turn it off. Microphone automatic, it changed the microphones between 2 AirPods. Optimize battery charging, actually you don't need to turn it on because as this is not original, it doesn't work properly. Accessibility settings, let's see other stuff. In the package also it comes with the strap, the holder strap that you can just apply here. And in the box we also get the lightning charging cable. With lightning charging cable, it takes about 2 hours to get fully charged, but this thing also have wireless charging feature. Let's see. So this is the charger of my original Apple Watch 8 watch. Let's see if it charges it. As you can see, it doesn't charge, so it doesn't work with the original one. But if you use the charger of a Apple Watch Ultra clone charger, which is HK8 Pro Max in this case, let's see. See, it just start charging. Sorry, again let me show you. See, it start charging, but it is too slow. With the wireless charger it takes around 10 hours. So before you sleep you need to put it on charging, and it makes it fully charged in 10 hours. But if you charge it with your lightning cable, it takes only 2 hours. And as you can see, when I put it for charging, again sorry, we hear the sound. This is a new feature. And the last thing in the package, the ear pads here, large, small and extra small. just like the original one. And now we can just jump to the detailed review and look at the features. So first of all, I would like to show you the settings again and go step by step. It is connected. Let's go to settings and AirPods Pro. Okay, noise cancellation, transparency mode and off. I just show this. Automatic ear detection, personalized spatial audio. So when you click this one, it shows you a demo. You can see the difference between the stereo audio and spatial audio. See, as I move the AirPods, the head is moving. Done. And to set this, you need to take the photo of your face in the front, right ear and left ear, which I am showing you on the screen. As I told you, battery charging, optimized battery charging is not the case for the clone ones. Always left AirPort, always right, or switch automatically. It is better to switch them automatically. Accessibility settings. So you can make the press speed default slower or slowest. Also press and hold duration. Noise cancellation with one AirPod, for example, I would like to turn it on. Audio accessibility settings, follow iPhone, yes. Tone volume. And sometimes it just keep doing this. It doesn't cut the voice or sound or the phone call, but just the case is connecting again. This is a thing that should be fixed. It doesn't affect that your usage when they are in your ears, but this should be fixed with the next update. As I told you, it just looked like the original one. You even have a limited warranty time and serial numbers. Show in Find My. So this is actually interesting feature. They say it is working, but actually it is not. Let me show you. Find My devices. So at the moment it shows now here, but when I close it and turn them off and try to play a sound, see, nothing happens. Sound pending, will play when connected. So this is actually a useless feature. You can only see the latest location of your AirPods Pro 2 when it is turned off. But when you turn it on, let's try. Let's play sound. See, it says ringing, but we don't hear it. Let's stop and try again. It doesn't work, properly. Sometimes you hear the beep sound and sometimes you are not, just like we are not hearing any beep sound here. So this feature is actually useless and doesn't work like the original one. It's also, you are getting these warnings based on your headphone usage over the last 7 days. You have exceeded, the sound level. And with these AirPods, you can reach up to 105 decibels. It's really high, over 80 decibels. It's really harmful for your ear, and these AirPods are really capable to get that levels. It's just like sound. The sound is very clear when you are, listening music, and you get the almost same quality, the 90% of the same quality with the AirPods Pro. Not 100%, but 90%, which is very, very nice for a clone one. These clone AirPods are getting better and better. Incredible. Okay, it's okay for now. My point is the AirTag feature and Find My Device feature is not working properly. Okay, let's say we are listening a song. Let me do it like this. Okay. See? And it works pretty fine. And if you need to pinch it, so if you pinch it, it stops. Let me take the other one into my other ear to see controls, to make meter controls, sorry. Okay, and if you pinch again, it starts working. And if you pinch twice, when you are wearing it, it's easier. It's really hard while recording and showing it. And if you pinch 3 times, you get the previous song. On each AirPods, we have 3 microphones, which they are, listening the outside to balance the active noise cancellation, which is not working properly. See, we also have the AirPods menu here, and we can change between head tracking, special audio feature, fixed feature, noise control. At the moment it is off, and if you press and hold on a second, see, it changes. Come on, press and hold. Transparency and noise cancellation. You can also set the feature to get the off, but I just turned it off before. See, press and hold, and you can change between noise cancellation and transparency mode. And as I told you before, this feature doesn't work properly. This is the only feature that you need which doesn't work properly. And also the AirTag feature. Now I would like to show you how to update this AirPods clones when the new one is released. When you would like to check if there is a new firmware available and update your AirPods clones, you need to get this app. It's called as Starfan APK, but it is not available in the Google Play. You need to make a Google search as Starfan APK and download this one. And after downloading and installing it, you need to turn it on and also turn on your AirPods and go to the available devices. And when you get the AirPods Pro 2 connection, just connect it to the Android device. And now we can go back to the Starfan application. See, more, check firmware. There is no update version, no need update, and you can see the product number H2S Pro 277. Chip model, product number, and other settings which you don't need. Also low latency mode. I can see it here. Let me turn it on, maybe it works. But when you turn on low latency mode, it's closest to head tracking. Interesting. Okay, so this is how you are upgrading your Apple AirPods Pro 2 clones, the latest version and the best version at the moment, until the new one is being released. Actually, there are rumors the new one is going to be released, but it's not going to be too different from this one. There will be another one which is called as TB version. It comes with a different motherboard, but it will take too much time for it to be released, and it is going to be a lot expensive than this one. So at the moment, this one is being sold about $60. And if you wait for the TB model, if it's going to release maybe in 3, 4 or maybe 5 months, it's going to be around maybe $80. So I am just going to put the link in the description, and this was my review. I know the video is too long, but I tried to explain everything, and if I forgot to mention anything, please ask me in the comments and I'm going to give you an answer about it if I have experience or if I have information about it. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.